So changes abound at the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, PFJL. Chairman Christopher Williams, going, soon gone. And CEO Owen Hill, going, soon gone too. We know no one is indispensable, but it cannot be denied that Williams and his team improved the football itself in the Jamaica Premier League. And in terms of the image, marketability, and the overall profile of the product, it was certainly good and improving. Of course, football is a game of egos. The bombardment of the local Premier League by these perceived outsiders, getting all the hype and the highlight, they just had to go. And while it's a fact that the game of football is bigger than any one or two individuals, the genuine fear is that all the improvements and all the ground made up will dissipate and eventually disappear as we quietly make our way back to square one.